Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Khuluma with Proof. Today is your first time visiting this channel. Please do the right thing and click at the subscribe button. Guys, it is alleged that Indota Iya Zandile Khumalo, which is Kelly Khumalo's sister, of course, is taking a second wife. And guess ukuthi uthatha bani ke sana, he's taking inisi ayadelete Azanele Mpokazi ke sana, the girl who was speaking laphana ku-funeral service yakhe naku-memorial service. Shem Ngulube kahamba ngema-crunches because uthi phuli enkele yakhe. So uGayi ligama lakhe ngumhlonishwa oyi-businessman, ngani washada naZandile Khumalo, siswakhele Khumalo, and they even have kids together. So Guy is taking a second wife, uthatha loyana girl ke sana, and it is alleged ukuthi uZandile Khumalo uright guys ngaloko, akanankinga, akana problem nje uthi akayibona inkinga. Uthi nesikhane ashada namhlonishwa, vele bakabomhlonishwa bamtshela ukuthi akaboshiya space phela angagqwala inzawadi ukuthi mhlonishwa ngalenye ilanga ngenteka athathe mfati wesithunje wavele ukhulele esithembini, and isithembu vele uyasanza, and ngalenye ilanga vele isifiso sakhe sokuthi asithathe. Uthi mhlonishwa bekaloku supportive ku-girl during these tough times njengoba sonelwe ngumamncane wakhe. Uthi bekamsupporta ngendlela yonke, Guy Shemi amcheck-a vele umuntu njena lo very supportive. So guys, kuyakhombisa ukuthi utolanywa ke uZandile Khumalo ulanywa inisa yaZanele Mpokazi ke sana. Tito khala la. Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts, sit down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.